Hi, hello, welcome to AK Talks. I am your AK. Today talk about this video. Honor 9A and 9S full review. Search advertisement mobiles news Honor 9A, Honor 9S with Octa Media Tech SoC, Huawei's app gallery launched in India. Price, specifications read in, Honor 9A price in India is set at 9,999 rupees. While the Honor 9S comes with a price tag of 6,499 rupees. By Jagmeet Singh updated. The 31st of July 2020 14:46 highlights Honor 9A comes with 64 GB of onboard storage. Honor 9S has a single 9-megapixel rear camera sensor. Both phones will be available in India starting the 6th of August. Honor 9A, Honor 9S with Octa Media Tech SoC, Huawei's app gallery launched in India. Price, specifications Honor 9A comes with a full view display and a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, email. Honor 9A and Honor 9S have been launched in India. Both new Honor phones come with Huawei's app gallery instead of Google Play. The Honor 9A and Honor 9S both also come with a full view display and are powered by MediaTek processors. However, there are several distinct features and hardware specifications that make the Honor 9A and Honor 9S two separate devices for different audiences. The Honor 9A comes with a triple rear camera setup, while the Honor 9S has a single camera on its back. Read on to look at the price, specifications, and all the differences between the Honor 9A and Honor 9S. Honor 9A, Honor 9S price in India. Launch offers. Honor 9A price in India has been set at 9,999 rupees for the lone 64 GB storage variant, while the Honor 9S comes with a price tag of 6,499 rupees for the single 32 GB storage option. The Honor 9A will be available in midnight black and phantom blue color options. In contrast, the Honor 9S has blue and black color options. Both phones will be available for purchase through Amazon. Moreover, the Honor 9A will be available starting 11 AM on the 6th of August, while the Honor 9S will go on sale at 12 PM, noon, on the same date. Launch offers on the Honor 9A include an instant discount of 1,000 rupees, whereas the Honor 9S will be available with a 500 rupee discount. There will also be an additional 10% discount on the Honor 9A for HDFC Bank customers. Furthermore, both phones will be available with no-cost ME options for up to 6 months. Honor 9A specifications. The dual SIM Honor 9A runs on Android 10 along with Magic UI 3.1 on top and features a 6.3-inch HD+ 720x1600 pixels full view display that has a Greenland certified iCare mode and 29 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by an Octa-core MediaTek MT6762R SoC, coupled with 3 GB RAM. For photos and videos, the smartphone carries the triple rear camera setup that includes a 13-megapixel primary sensor, 5-megapixel secondary sensor, and a 2-megapixel tertiary sensor. There is also an 8-megapixel selfie camera sensor at the front. The Honor 9A has 64 GB of onboard storage that is expandable via microSD card, up to 512 GB, through a dedicated slot. Connectivity options include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN, Bluetooth V5.0, GPS AGPS, FM radio, micro USB, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. There is also a fingerprint sensor at the back. Besides, the phone packs a 5000 mAh battery that supports reverse charging. Honor 9S specifications. The dual SIM Honor 9S runs on Android 10 with Magic UI 3.1 on top and has a 5.45-inch HD+ 720x1440 pixels full view display with 18:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, there is the MediaTek MT6762R SoC, paired with 2 GB RAM. The phone comes with the single 8-megapixel camera sensor at the back, along with an f2.0 lens. You'll also get a 5-megapixel selfie camera sensor at the front, with an f2.2 lens for storage. The Honor 9S has 32GB of internal storage that is expandable via microSD card, up to 512GB, through a dedicated slot. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS AGPS, and a micro USB port. Lastly, the phone packs a 3020 mAh battery. Please leave your comments.
Thanks for watching. More videos, subscribe and press the bell icon. Social media links in description.